Good morning, students. Today we shall begin with the continuation part of the probability problems. Already we have studied in earlier class the probability introduced by Kolmogorov, a great mathematician in the 20th century. To understand this probability theory, we shall study first some basic concepts and also basic terminology, that is random experiments, sample space, events, types of events, and also impossible event, simple event, compound event. Thereafter, algebra of the events, complementary events, the event A or B, the event A and B, the event A but not B, mutually exclusive event, exhaustive event, independent event, and lastly dependent event. After this, in the previous class, we have studied 7 problems based on the basic concept of the probability theory. Am I right here? Is it clear? Is it audible to one and all? Then, and also the last problem which I had given you the homework. Once again I recall the memory of the last problem. A boy has, a boy has 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, and 5 rupee coin in his pocket. He takes 2 coins out of his pocket, one after the other. Find the sample space. I hope all of you would have solved this answer, but once again you confirm the answer. Here we should understand Q denotes 1 rupee coin because 3 coins are there. Q, capital Q denotes 1 rupee coin, H denotes 2 rupee coin, and capital R denote 5 rupee coin. So, he takes 2 coins at a glance out of his pocket. How he takes means there is one after the other coin. First he took 1 coin and later he took the second coin, one after one coin. First time it may be, the outcome may be Q, and second time H. Here one event will be over. Then similarly it may be Q, next time R. Third time, first he took H and also Q next. In this manner, QH, QR, HQ, HR, RH, RQ, these are the outcomes according to the boy who picked 2 coins out of his pocket, one after the other. Totally 6 outcomes are there. Hence the sample space, number of sample space of the outcomes is equals to 6. This is the 7th answer. So once again you confirm the answer which you would have solved a homework one problem on that day. We shall begin proceeding with the 8th question. A coin and dice are tossed. Find. Here 3 sub questions are there. First one, capital A denotes getting a head and even number. Capital B denotes getting a prime number. Then capital C denotes getting a tail and an odd number. Here another one, D denotes getting a head and tail. Hence here 4 sub questions are there. When a coin and a dice are tossed. Students, how can you solve this problem? Here coin is also tossed, die is also thrown, or dice is tossed. According to his required question, what we should do first? A is equals to event of getting a head and even number. When a coin is tossed, only you have to select head, the face which outcomes, the face upwards, only head denotes. And when you throw a die, only you should concentrate on even numbers because die has a 6 faces, hence it is called by the name dice. Dice is thrown, only you have to select, you have to choose even numbers. Then one coin upwards face and one dice even number which gives one event. Yes? First what I should do means when toss a coin, and I have to toss a coin, head appears, and dice is thrown, 2 appears, first time 2 appears. Hence H2 become a 2 outcomes which forms an event. Yes, an event. Similarly, second time I have tossed, tail appears, but we should not take tail here. Condition in the given concept, event of getting head only. Hence I have to select, again toss, head will appear. Then take even number from throwing a die. Then 4 is appeared. Hence H4 is a next outcome. Similarly, when you toss a coin, again you have to select head only, H. Then when you throw a dice, you will get even number 6. Hence 3 outcomes, a pair of 3 outcomes appeared. These 3 events are known to be as the A is one of the main event. H2, H4, H6. Is it clear? This is one sub questions we have solved. Similarly, the second condition applied here. B is an event, but event of getting a prime numbers. Students, in earlier class you know very well, numbers. In our Hindu-Arabic system, the numbers are from 0 to 9. But they are classified mainly 4 categories: odd numbers, even numbers, prime numbers, composite number. I don't know whether you know all these, but only thing I thought you know only 2 types of numbers: odd numbers, even numbers, or maybe prime number, but you don't know the composite number. But according to our syllabus concept, the prime number only thing we should know. Prime number is a number which is divisible by itself only. Prime number is a number which is divisible by itself only. For example, 2, 5, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, like this, so on. What is a prime number? Prime number is a number which is divisible by itself only. Yes? ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಯಾವ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ತನ್ನಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ತಾನಾಗಿಯೇ ಅದೇ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಭಾಗ ಹೋಗಲ್ಪಡುವುದೋ ಅಂತಹ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ, ಭಾಜ್ಯ, ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ 2, 3, 5 ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳು. 2 2ನ್ನೇ ಭಾಗಿಸ್ತದೆ. 2 2ರಿಂದಲೇ ಭಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಶೇಷ 0 ಬರ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಆದರೆ ಇಂಥ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು, ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ನಾನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 0ಯಿಂದ 25ರವರೆಗೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟು? ನೆನಪಿಡಿ, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ದೆನ್ second question, we come back to the second sub-question. B is the event of getting a prime number. When a coin is tossed, again, it may be head appears, it may be tail appears, but only thing, another, when a dice is thrown, there is a condition, it should be shown up or face, it should be shown on the face only prime numbers. First head appears, when dice is thrown, 2 appears because 2 is a prime number. Somebody asked here, sir, why 2 is an even number? 2 belongs to even number category but also prime number. Why means 2 is divisible by itself only, which gives the remainder 0. Hence 2 is a prime number. Am I right here? H2. Again, next head and the next prime number is 3 because 3 is the next prime number. Again, head appears, then 5 because 5 is the prime number. After a coin is tossed, then T appears sometimes, shown upwards, the face T, then 2 is a prime number. Hence, T2, T3, T5, like this. Yes? Event of getting a prime number, H2, H3, H5, T2, T3, T5. Yes? I have selected 3 prime numbers, 2, 3, 5. But 3 times head appears, 3 times it should be tail appears. Hence, event of getting a prime numbers. B. C. Event of getting a tail and an odd number only. When a coin is tossed, only we should take tail here. Don't take head. First coin tossed, tail appears. Then odd number means a die has a 6 faces. 1 is odd number. Second time you toss, tail appears. 3 is the odd number. Third time you toss, tail appears. Then 5 is the odd number from coin only. Dice only. Because dice has lastly 6 numbers. Should not cross 6. Why here 2, 3, 5 you taken? Because 6 is the next number. It is even on the face of dice. Should not take it. Am I right here? This is the C. Then D. Event of getting a head. Event of getting a head or tail. Do you know? Then means Sir, what about the dice? He says event of getting a head or a tail for the coin, but unknown term is there. But we should take altogether 6 faces for the dice. The meaning says like this. Event of getting a head or tail, but dice provides altogether 6. First, when you toss, dice has a 6 faces means we should take 6 heads and 6 tails. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. I have taken here 6 heads. After that, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. Here, this is the 6 tails. 6 heads and 6 tails appears. In this manner, we have solved the 8th question. Is it clear? Once again, you recall your memory regarding the 8th. Then the 9th question. Okay. A coin is tossed. If it shows a tail, we draw a ball from the box which contains 2 red, 3 black balls. If it shows head, we throw a die. Find the sample space here. First, you understand the question, what he requires. A coin is tossed. If it shows a tail, we draw a ball from the box which contains 2 red, 3 black balls. If it shows head, we throw a die. Find the sample space here. This question something little bit confusion because coin is tossed, die is thrown, yes, and also apart from these 2 concepts, he has taken 2 red balls and 3 black balls from the box. So, a coin has 2 faces. One is head and another one is tail. And also, a box is containing only 2 red balls. Red ball denotes capital R and black balls denotes capital V. And apart from this, again, we throw a die because a die has a 6 faces. Am I right here? Then first, if find the sample space means all together becomes 1. 3 outcomes becomes 1 event. Yes, 3 outcomes becomes 1 event at a glance. So, for one step, we take here 3 outcomes in the first case. Yes, first, it shows a tail, here capital T. Draw a ball from the box which contains 2 red balls and 3 black balls. First I have taken red balls. And also if it shows head, then we throw a die. Then we'll take here 1 as a first number from these 3 outcomes which becomes an event. First time a coin is tossed, it shows tail. Then second outcome shows a red ball. And third outcome, when I throw a die, then 1 appears. Oh, this is an event. Similarly, tail appears, red ball is drawn from the box randomly, and next time a dice throw shows a number 2 here. Do you know? Then 2 red balls are there. Here the red balls work will be over. Then again it shows the tail, and also next I have drawn randomly black ball from the box and shows 1 appears on the dice. Similarly, tail appears, black ball is drawn, next it shows the 2 number appears on the dice. Then tail appears, then black ball drawn randomly from the box, third ball this is, and also next appears here 3. In this manner, all these black balls, red balls along with the tail concept is over here. Then after this, if it shows head, means when a coin is tossed, tail, first it shows the tail, then shows heads in the second case. What happens here? We throw a die only. It shows head and we throw a die. While it's showing a head and throwing a die, what type of outcomes appears? First head, one is the dice thrown. Second time, second outcome, next outcome will be appears head according to his condition. When thrown a die, 2 appears. 2 outcomes, an event is there. Third time, H appears, 3, shown a die number 3. Then next H4, H5, H6. Because if here he has given in the complex sentence, if it shows head, we throw a die. When it shows the head, we throw a die, find the sample space. Here, multiple concept of the items given in this question. So, in this manner, the sample space is TR1, TR2, TB1, TB2, TB3, head and 1 appears, head 2, head 3, head 4, head 5, head 6, because it shows head here. I have taken here HH. Am I right here? Is it clear? Then, next question is, 2 dice are thrown. The events getting the sum of numbers is on the dice less than 10. When 2 dice are thrown, die is singular, dice is plural. Each die is having 6 faces. When 2 dice are thrown, total number of the events occurs, 36 events. Those events are already I have shown in the earlier questions. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, like 6, 5, 6, 6, last. 36 outcomes from throwing dice, 2 dice. Am I right here? So, what about his condition? 2 dice are thrown. The event getting the sum of the numbers on the dice less than equals to 10. Be aware of the symbol greater than equals to 10. Be aware. Am I right here? The answer gives, yes, 4, 6, because 4 plus 6 which gives 10, because greater than equals to 10 here. Then 5, 6, total sum of these 2 faces should be equals to, first die shows 5, second die shows 6, hence it will 11. Sum of these 2 will be 11, but his condition is greater than equals to 10, 11. Next, third one, 6, 4. Third time when a die is, first die shows 6, second die thrown 4, 6, 4. Am I right here? Again, first die shows 6, second die shows 5, 6, 5, 11. Then 6, 6, because 12, more than 10 here. First die shows 6, second die also shows 6. And next, first die shows 5, next die shows 8. Yes, you know it. Hence, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6, 5, 5. Hence, the total number of the sample spaces is equals to 6. If die is thrown at the event getting sum of the numbers greater than equals to 10. Am I right here? Next question is there. Define complementary event. Already I had explained in the earlier class. Mutually exclusive event and exhaustive event. Yes, you define by your own words. Okay, make the practice at your home and write up it. Okay, wait for 5 minutes. Welcome back. The 11th question number 11, already definition based question it is. Then come to the next. A coin is tossed. If it shows head, then a ball is drawn from a bag containing 3 red and 3 white balls. If it shows tail, then we throw a die. Construct the sample space. Here in this question, first you understand a coin is tossed. If it shows head, then a ball is drawn from a bag containing 3 red balls and 2 white balls. First, we have to clear about these 2 sentences. Let 3 red balls be denoted by R1, R2, R3 because 3 red balls are there. And 2 white balls can be denoted by W1, W2. Am I right here? W1, W2. Then the sample space S is given by. First, it shows head, then a ball is drawn. 3 red means head, first red ball. Head, second red ball. Head appears, third red ball. Here, red ball out comes from the box by the 3 times is over. Again, head appears, then white ball appears. First white ball, head and W2. And because 2 white balls are there along with the, it shows head. Hence, 5 outcomes, events are there in this outcome of the head and also 5 balls. Again in the next sentence he mentioned, if it shows tail, then we throw a die. Tail appears, whenever tail appears, the die is associated with it. Means die has 6 numbers. First time tail appears, 1 appears from the dice. Second time tail appears, then 2 appears from a dice. Third time tail appears, 3 appears here from the dice. And fourth time tail appears, here 4 appears. Fifth time tail appears from 5 from the dice. Lastly, sixth time tail appears, then number 6 appears from the dice. Because dice has 6 faces, hence a die of each number is associated with tail. In this manner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times. 11 times the number of sample spaces outcomes are there. Okay, this is 12th question. Then the 13th question is there. Am I right here? 13th question. If A equals to 2, 4, 6, B equals to 3, 4, 5, 6, and the event A or B and A and B are dash, dash, dash. Students, already you know the definitions of the types of events and algebra of the events you studied. In those, A or B A and B, two types of the events already given with brief description along with the definitions. So, how can you define A or B symbolically? A or B defines, that means A union of B. A is a well-defined collection of the numbers. Those numbers are 2, 4, 6. Hence, A is the set of group of even numbers. And B is the set of the group of numbers 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, the normal numbers are present in the set of B. So, hence, then the event A or B means it defines A union of B. A union of B implies, first we should write 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Then 3 is the new element. Hence, we have to add it. 4 already came. Need not to write again. Then 5 is the new element. You have to write here. 6 already came. Hence, the set of numbers A union B, which implies A or B, that's equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Am I right here? This is the event A or B. Similarly, A and B means the intersection of A and B. Symbolically it represents, this symbol represents intersection. This symbol represents union. Union means set of A and B from well-defined collection of the A and B sets. First we should write all the elements of the set A, then which are new appears numbers in the B set. Then collect in a group of set which forms A union B. But in the intersection means only we have to select common numbers from both the sets. So 2, 4, 6 is the elements belongs to the set A. 3, 4, 5, 6 is the elements belongs to set B. Hence, what are the common numbers we have to select? 4 is the common, 4 is the common. 2 is not there in B. 2 is in A. Hence, 4 is the common number. First, we should write 4. Then 6 is the second common number, that is 6. Am I right here? Okay. Then is it clear? Here total 13 questions already we have solved. Next we shall begin the 14th question. Welcome back. The 14th question defines, consider example of rolling a die. Let A be the event getting a prime number, B be the event getting odd number. Write the sets. First one not A, second one is A but not B. Already in the earlier question A or B and A and B he required. For this question he requires not A. Next one is A but not B. First, we once again you recall the question. A be the event getting a prime number. We have a sample space of an experiment of rolling a die. Here S is given by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because a die has 6 numbers. Am I right? Then first one defines A, capital A. A is equals to prime number set 2, 3, 5. You have to select from 6, these 6 numbers, how many number of the primes are there? Only 3 numbers are there. One is 2, 3, 5. Second one, set B defines odd numbers 1, 3, 5. So, what is his required question? First, we have to construct the values of the given statements A and B. Then A is equals to 2, 3, 5. B is equals to 1, 3, 5. Hence, A and B are two sets. But he, according to his given statement of the question, first one is not A. Not A is nothing but A dash. A dash, complement of A it is. How do you find this A dash means complement of A is from the set of sample space, subtract the A set A elements. Set A elements. Sample space means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Subtract 2, 3, 5. You have to eliminate 2, 3, 5 from set of complex number 2, 3, 5. 5. 2, 3, 5. What are the remaining elements? 1, 4 and 6. Hence, A dash is nothing but equals to not A. That is equals to 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. Am I right here? Am I right here? Okay. The second one is A but not B. A but not B nothing but defines A minus B. A minus B. A minus B means from the set of A to the relation between the B. First, you take all the elements from A, 2, 3, 5, then minus B means only here 3 and 5 are subtracted from the set A. So eliminate 3 and 5 from the set A. Remaining element we should write, that is A minus B. Should not write 1 here, because A minus B means from those elements belongs to the set A, subtract the elements from the common elements from the B. So then 2 is the remaining. Hence, A but not B is nothing but A minus B. That's equals to 2. Is it clear? This is the 14th question's answer. Am I right? Next, we shall begin with the 15th question, number 15th. 15th question. 2 dice are thrown. Sum of number which comes up on the dice is noted. That is, A, the sum of even. B is the sum of multiple of 3. C is the sum is less than 4. And D is the event, the sum greater than 11. Which pair of these events are mutually exclusive event? This is the question, 15th number, very important. So, all of you read the question once or twice. Numerical question is there. So, once again you recall the question till to get the correct answer. Your justification is very important here. Sentence wise you read once or twice, you will get an idea. Okay, am I right? Okay. Then continue. 2 dice are thrown. Sum of number which comes up on the dice is noted as A shows the sum of even numbers, and B shows the sum is multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 ಅಂದರೆ 3ರ ಗುಣಕಗಳು. Yes. C show then the sum is less than 4. Sum is less than 4. Okay. In this manner the question is given. When 2 dice are thrown, the total number of sample spaces are S is equals to 36. They because 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, like this. Up to 6, 6. Total number of 36 sample spaces are there. According to his given statement A, the sum is even number. So, when throwing both dice, their sum should be equal to even number. First die thrown, 1 appears. Second die thrown, so 1 appears. Hence, the sum of these two is 2. That is even number. Here, first die thrown 1. Second die thrown 3. 1 plus 3 which gives 4. Here 1 plus 5 which gives 6. 2, 2. All these are the outcomes taken out from the total number of 36 outcomes, but condition applied, their sum should be equal to even numbers. Once again you check up all these defines all are even numbers. The sum should be equal to even numbers. Am I right here? Then, according to second statement of the B, the sum is multiple of 3. Am I right here? What is meaning multiple of 3? In Kannada it is defines ಮೂರರ ಗುಣಕಗಳು. ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಸಮ್ಮು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮೊದಲೇ ಈ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ 3 ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಎರಡನೇ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ 6 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಮೂರನೇ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? 3ರ ಗುಣಕ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು. ಹಿಂಗ. ಎಸ್. ದೆನ್ B equals to sum should be, the sum is multiple of 3 means 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 6, 4, 2, 6, 3, 3, 6, 3 plus 6, 9, 4 plus 5 plus 4, 9, because 3 3s are 9. Then 5 plus 1, sum should be equals to multiple of 3. 3 ಒಂದಲೇ 3, 3 2 6. ಮತ್ತು ಇದು 2 ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ 6 ಆಯಿತು. ಆದರೆ ಇದು 3 2 6. ಹೀಗೆ sum should be equals to multiple. 4 plus 2 6, 5 plus 4 9, 6 plus 3 9, 6 plus 6 12, because 3 4s are 12. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ multiple. This is the B. According to his statement C equals to, first ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಕ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. What is the statement C defines here? C means the sum is less than 4 from 36 outcomes of sample space. ನೋಡಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 36ರಿಂದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 4 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತೆಗೆದೀವಿ. 1 1 4ಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು. 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 3 ಬಂತು, 4ಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು. 2 plus 1 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 3 ಬಂತು, 4ಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು. 4 1 ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. 4ಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾದಂಥವು ಅಂದರೆ ಇವು 3 ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕು. ಸಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 3. ಇನ್ನು ಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳ, ದ ಸಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 11. ದ ಸಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 11, ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 11. Wait. Next, the sum is greater than 11. Hence, the D is equals to, the event D is equals to 6 plus 6, totally 12. Hence, according to his fourth statement, sum is greater than 11. Which, then next, which pair of these events are mutually exclusive? You know very well mutually exclusive event definition. Before going to solve these problems, you must have perfect with all these definitions. I have given very clearly with written concept also. Then, first, therefore, according to his statement, I have to find A intersection B. A intersection B, it is the common group of elements. Here we have to select from set A. All these outcomes are in a group of set A, and all these outcomes are in a group of set B. A and B. A intersection means ಛೇದನ ಗಣ, A ಛೇದನ B. ಈ ಎರಡೂ ಗಣಗಳಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ 1 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, 1 3 ಈ ಸೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, 1 5 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಇದೆ. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ಟನ್ನು ನಾನು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. 2 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇಲ್ಲ, 2 2 ಮುಂದೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ 2 4 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 4 ಇದೆ, ಎದಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಿದಲ್ಲಿಯೂ 2 4 ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. 3 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 3 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ 3 3 ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದೆ. ದೆನ್ 4 2 ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 2 ಅದ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 4 2 ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು, 4 2 ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಹೀಗೆ 5 1 ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ 6 6 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎದಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಇದೆ, ಬಿದಲ್ಲಿನೂ 6 6 ಇದೆ. ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 1 5 1 1 5 2 4 3 3 4 2 5 1 6 6. Therefore A intersection B is not equals to null set. Hence A and B are not mutually exclusive event. A and B are not mutually exclusive event. Similarly, A and C are also not mutually exclusive event, not equals to null set. A and C are not mutually 1 1 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 1 ಇದೆ, 1 2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನದ ಇಲ್ಲ, 2 1 ಇದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು, ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಇದರಂತೆಯೇ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿನೂ ಹಾಗೇ ಇದೆ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಬಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗೂ ಅವು ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಜೀರೋನೇ ಬರ್ತವೆ, ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಬಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗೂ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟನೇ ಇದೆ. ಸಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗೂ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇದೆ. ದಸ್ ದಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಕಮ ಸಿ, ಎ ಕಮ ಡಿ, ಬಿ ಕಮ ಸಿ and B and D are not mutually exclusive events, and a pair of C and D are mutually exclusive event. Only C ಮತ್ತು D ಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1 1 1 2 2 1 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 6 ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಏನದ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇದನ್ನೇನದ, therefore thus the points are AC, AD, BC, BD are not mutually exclusive event, but only a pair of C and D. C is elements 1 1 1 2 2 1, D is 6 6, and hence these two sets are mutually exclusive event. According to definition, once again you recall, then this is the 15th question. In the next class, I shall begin with the 16th question. Okay? All the best. Good luck. Bye-bye.